Guys, today I will show you how to register Indian Embassy of Kuwait for Indian stranded people who want to go back to India from Kuwait. So search in Google indemb indembdkvt.com/eva/. You can check this link in description also. Now you can see this page, Indian Embassy of Kuwait. Here some rules and regulation. You read this carefully 1 to 7. And this Indian Embassy of Kuwait website for repatriation people, standard people who want to go back to India from Kuwait. So first of all, in first line here this form you can see, first line write your name same as your passport, and then email address, then age in year, yani age in year means 1999 1989 like this, and contact number in Kuwait without country code, then contact number in India without country code, then select your gender male female other, and passport number please enter without space, write your passport number, and is your passport valid or not, click yes or no. Then date of expiry of passport, write your expiry date of your passport, and select your type of visa, temporary residence, government or public institution, private sector employment, whatever, select your visa type. Then write your Iqama number, Kuwait Iqama number. Then select reason why you go back to India, select here some reason why you go back to India. Then do you have documentary proof in support of the above state reason? If you have any documentary proof supporting this form, you can choose yes or no. Then select category, you are student, professional, worker, tourist, visitor, whatever you have, you select your category. Then select state in India, or write your Indian state name. Then write your full address in Indian address, write here your Indian full address. Then select your nearest international airport in India. Then you have undergone COVID-19 test. If your COVID-19 test is yes, done, you choose yes. If not done, choose no. Then here write your any professional skills. You are engineer, professional, doctor, electrician, plumber, whatever you have, write your profession skills. Then this undertaking by the applicant, rules and regulations, you read this carefully. Then I agree to above undertaking, you click on yes. Then click here I'm not a robot, then click on submit button. After you submitting button, your registration is successfully in Kuwait, in Indian Embassy of Kuwait. Then arrange when flight, contact Kuwait Embassy, Indian Embassy of Kuwait on your contact number or via email. Thank you for watching.